guys, Mochi Squeesh. Today I'm so
Again.
okay. Hi guys, it's Mochi Squeesh. I'm so excited. I got so many emojis, and I opened these. And guess what? This one is so cute. And this one, and I opened this one, and this is a mini bed. I'll open it in my TikToks. So we're gonna fish any mini mo, so we could do it because I don't know, they're all cute. I'm so excited. Okay, any mini mo. Catch it when it's ready to. Any mini mo. Oh, because I skipped this one too. Okay, let's see. These will glow in the dark, so you could get these on your store, or you could just go anywhere. We always found these, and we find these blue ones, but now they make brand new ones. So let's open it now. Okay. This one is. I know this one, but I don't know the name. I learned this in school. Okay. Cute. I think there's a fish, but it's not a fish.
A seal.
This is a seal, and it's so cute. It's so cute. Boop. Okay. We're gonna put it up here because, and this it looks like a bear. Looks like a bear to me. Okay, as you guys know, chat in my YouTube. Okay, next we're gonna do. Okay, any mini mo. Catch a student fire toy. Any mini mo. This is the last one. We're gonna open this one. I'm so excited. And guess what? They have these that you can look on. Okay. Let's see where I think I know. Okay, it's Virgil. Oh. I thought there's a dog. It's so funny. Let's put this. This is so chubby. I don't know why. But yeah, it's cute. The other one's also fat, and we got a pig. Wait, baby, I was trying to get this. Okay, I was trying to get this. And this. Okay. Which one's my favorite? Bag? Comment below. Which color? Because I love all of these squishies. Because they're so cute. Okay, let's do any mini mo. Any mini mo. Get you when I'm ready to. Any mini mo. Oh, we choose the caliper. And I know this is the caliper. And I don't know what this is. This found out. I don't know how to say it because I can't say something. Oh, he's so. Okay, this one is so good. This one like it goes straight, but other ones I can't because it might rip underneath. We don't want that to happen. So let's look on the other one. Oh, okay. I forgot, man. Oh my god, it's so cute. No, it's like a vacuum. No, it's not a vacuum. It's like one of those balls, and they turn like they have a ball tummy, and they have spikies, and they have cute face. I think that's that. I don't know. That's not. Okay, we're gonna pick, guys. so excited that I got a lot of emojis. So, any, many, mo. Jojo and ready to any, many, mo. The last one again. Okay, so you guys, look in the back. It's this one. It's not this one. You want to glow in the dark? It's this one, okay? Let's see. Okay. First we got a bunny mochi. It's cute. It's a bunny mochi. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And he has like a face, little butt, and a tail. He's so cute. I like this one. Okay, we're looking at the other one. What is that? How is it bird? Okay, this is a bird. My dad said that, but I don't think because it doesn't have wings. And it has a little hat. I don't know. But that's cute. That's fun. We got tons of emojis. This one actually I don't know. And this one I know. This one I know some of them. Okay, we're doing money, money. Catch up when I'm ready to any money. This one I keeping going on the back ones. I'm gonna do this in the next one. So don't like that. Okay. So we have one of these squishy. You have to look in the back. They're so cute. And I'm gonna open. This is not the glow in the dark. I'm just letting you guys know. These are not. I noticed. It's a bunny. Oh shoot. Sorry. So it's bunny. It's really cool. It's like multiples. Can you just see the face? How it's so cute. Do this one have a face? Does it have no mouth? But it's okay. Television is in it. Does it have no mouth? Does it have no mouth? So yeah, that's right. Okay, this is the 2. This is a dog. It's just not the color. You don't have to get the right color as all of these. This has to be perfect, or it's okay because I don't care. So, okay, guys, we're gonna open these 2. Any, many, money, wow. Any, many, money, wow. Okay. Yep. And we don't have to do any, many, money, more because this is the last one. So, we're going to open it. Is it the same one? It's almost. Wait, really? No, it's down. It's cut off! It's cut off, guys. Oh no, it's cut. But this is the same one, so I don't know. Okay. Yep, that's the same as these 2. But it's just that ear got cut off. And this is like body again. So we have all these emojis. So we're gonna open the last one. That last one is open. Beautiful. It has something. The frog, or is this a frog? Yeah, that's frog. The frog was looking at me. That's cute because frogs do have big eyes. Next we got, you know, this is a turtle. I know. Okay, let's count, but I'm not gonna count. I'm gonna go to 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Almost, but we need 2 bats. Yeah, they come all together. It's, whoa. Guys, can you see this? Can you guys see it? It's glow in the dark. Wow. So cool. So, do you saw that? This Mochi got in a light. I hope you watch this video.